Hey everyone, welcome back. So today I'm going to recap some of my trades I made this week. Made a total of 8 trades. First trade, if you look at this yellow arrow, that's where I took the trade. This is Monday, July 29th. I took a scalp on market open. I noticed the price was trading below VWAP here, and so I went short and caught a nice move on the downside. It was just a quick in and out trade, and netted me a profit of $478. I'll show you. I recorded the actual trade, and here it is here. And you see that I have my order already set at 19,269, anticipating a break to the downside. And there you see it. It's about to my order, with my order, and there you go. In and out real quick. All right, so moving on to July 30th, I took 2 trades. Unfortunately, I wasn't able to record because I was at work. And moving into the trade, you can look at this blue trend line here, B1. This is significant because it was the lowest point in the market so far this year, so I anticipated a break of it on the downside. And I took the trade, just a quick in and out since I was at work, and my profit for that trade resulted in profit of $439. This was on my phone. Moving forward, it's my second trade that I made that day. Literally during the overnight session, I noticed a pretty strong uptrend occurring. So I went long and decided to hold the position for a bit. My trailing stop eventually took me out before I locked in a solid profit of $3,095. I had the trade on for about 4 hours before I was taken out of the trade. It did not record it. It was too long of a trade to record. And you can see here, pretty much, here's a screenshot of the trade. But unfortunately, I was not able to record it. Okay, so for my next trade was Wednesday, July 31st. It was a pretty solid day. I noticed a lot of liquidity in the 19,390 level, anticipating pretty much the break of this high here. I was looking at the book map, and we had a lot of liquidity above the 19,390. So I went long, anticipating the break of that level, and closed the trade with $498 in profit. I did record that trade and have the recording here. And here you see me anticipating the break of the 390 level. I placed my trade ready to be hit at 19,382. Hits my order. We sell. I get stopped out a little bit on that pullback, and then keeps going without me, but I have a profit of $498 today. Okay, so for my next trade, Thursday, July 1st, I took a couple of trades. Also weren't recorded due to them being during the overnight session. It was just too long to record. The first trade was a short position where I anticipated a continued downside momentum from the previous session. I set a pretty wide stop to give the trade some breathing room, and as you can see, I came out with a profit of $1,580. I also took another trade. The second trade was actually a button press mistake, and it resulted in a profit of $130 during the overnight session. All right, and finally on Friday, July 2nd, I took 2 more trades. The first one was a short position where I anticipated the break of VWAP, which was right here, and you see this break of VWAP. It was a quick trade for just $600. I didn't really get to capture the trade on screen, but I did take a screenshot, and then if you look over here, you can see I have a profit of $600. Moving on to the next trade I took on Friday, July 6th. And look at this yellow line here, this yellow arrow here. I took the break of the lower bound opening range, which was this purple trend line here. I do have that recording. Here's a recording of that trade. You can see it breaks the opening range lower bound, hits my order, and I have a profit of $557 to end the week. Overall, it was a great week. I took 8 trades and had a total profit of $7,372 to end the week. I hope you enjoyed the recap. If you found anything helpful, please like, subscribe, and stay tuned for the next one. Thanks.